Driving can feel stressful when you're just starting out, but with the right mindset, it becomes easy and even fun. Here are 10 essential tips for beginner drivers that will help you stay calm, confident, and safe on the road. 1. Don't rush. Speed isn't everything. It's better to drive a little slower and arrive safely than to hurry and risk an accident. Keep your own pace. Safety always comes first. 2. Always check mirrors and blind spots. Before you change lanes or turn, check your mirrors and look over your shoulder. A quick glance can prevent a serious mistake. 3. Keep a safe distance. Always keep at least 2 seconds between you and the car ahead. It gives you enough time to react if something unexpected happens. 4. Don't get distracted by your phone. Even 1 second looking at your phone can lead to danger. Set up your GPS before you drive and keep your focus on the road. 5. Always wear your seatbelt. Seatbelts save lives. Even on short trips, make it a habit to buckle up before you start the engine. 6. Practice parking. It's a skill, not a fear. Parking can be scary at first, but it's all about practice. Start in empty lots, take your time, and use your mirrors. 7. Watch road signs and markings. Learn to notice road signs and markings. Even if others ignore them, you don't have to follow their mistakes. 8. Don't be afraid to stall or make mistakes. Every beginner makes mistakes. That's how you learn. Stay calm, breathe, and try again. Confidence grows with experience. 9. Be polite on the road. A simple thank you wave or letting someone merge makes driving smoother for everyone. Respect brings peace to the road. 10. Plan your route in advance. Check your route before driving. It reduces stress and helps you stay focused. Knowing what's ahead keeps you relaxed and in control. Driving is more than just getting from point A to B. It's a journey of patience, focus, and respect. Remember these 10 tips, and you'll become a confident and safe driver in no time. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drive safe.